Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Razr 60 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll down because the personalization section is for some reason really low on the list. It is right here in this section with apps, security and privacy, and finally we've got personalize. So just tap on it, and here all we need to do is to tap on this preview. We've got the preview of the lock screen and the home screen. So just tap on it. Again, we've got the preview, and here we've got the albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So my photos, create with AI, and curated images. I think I'll pick something from curated images. So let me tap on it. And here, let's tap on more wallpapers. Here we've got on-device wallpapers. So I'm not sure which one we've got, the dark one. So let me choose maybe this one. And as you can see, and this is our wallpaper, so you can check how it will look like on the lock screen and home screen. You can change it, you can reframe it. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on Set Wallpaper in the right upper corner. And now you can decide where you want to set it, so as a home screen, lock screen, or both. I'll choose both options, so let me tap on it. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.